Hey guys, it's playtime! Look what we have today! From the maker of the movie Disney Frozen and Zootopia, we now have a new upcoming movie called MOANA, and we have two adventure pack. We have the Adventure Canoe and MOANA Adventure Pack. Alright, let's open it up. First, let's open this one since we have the characters. Let's start taking out the main character, which is MOANA. Here she is. I think this is her boat paddle. She is pretty. I love her hair bun. Let's get another character. We have the demigod Maui. And here's the figure of the demigod Maui with his magical fish hook. Maui is a big person with lots of tattoo all over his body. I love that necklace. And this one, his leafy skirt. He has a thick curly hair. He's the demigod of wind and sea, and also hero of men. This is Towie, the father of MOANA. I think MOANA means ocean. He's also big, but Maui is more like a giant. And this is the granny of MOANA. Granny Tala. Oh, I love her outfit. Cool. It's more like a mustard yellow. And she's also wearing a tribal necklace just like the father of MOANA and Maui. Here we have the rooster and the piggy. Oh, look at that very cute piggy. She looks worried. This is Poa and this is Hey Hey. I don't know if it's pronounced correctly. They are the BPFs of MOANA. BPFs. Yep. Best pets forever. It's kind of like best friends forever, but since they are pets, so BPFs. Alright, let's proceed to opening this adventure canoe. Look, we have the boat. And it says here it floats. Oh, we have another figure of Hey Hey. A shell. People back then used this like a megaphone. And we have another figure of MOANA. Oh, she has this little turquoise necklace. We have another figure of Poa. And this is the boat. This is the mainsail. Let's assemble the boat. Let's start with putting up the mainsail. In the picture, she stands here. And let's get her BPFs. What's the BPFs again? Best pets forever. Here we have Poa. Poa in the picture is here. Oopsie. And Hey Hey. It floats! Wow! That's cool! That's nice. Even if the water gets inside, it still floats. See? It still floats. This is a nice toy. Are you excited of the upcoming movie? Me too. I'm sure it's a good movie because they're also the maker of the Disney Frozen and Zootopia. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more surprises, more toys, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.